Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And today's video I'm going to talk about the best headphone you can have for your work. For example, I work in IT, I have back-to-back meeting throughout the day, and I need a headphone which are smart enough, which I can carry throughout my day. Even I have to travel to office, or I can go out and have a chat with my colleagues. So the headphone I'm using for past 2 years are this JLab Buds, and they're very good because they come with the detachable microphone, and you can't believe that these headphones are very good. They have proper noise cancellation microphone, and they're very good because I have 2 children running out in house throughout the day, and there's so much noise. This one I purchased 2 years ago from a JLab website, but I think they are available on Amazon as well. Usually the price is £80, but I've seen some time of the month they are on sale for like 60, even I've seen for 50 during Black Friday. And let me show you how you can use them. It's good to demonstrate how easy it is to use them. Put one this here and one here, yeah. And once you take off, once you connect it with Bluetooth, they automatically connect with that particular device. You can use them for phone call, for work. Yeah, because I needed the one which I can take with me. Let's say if I travel to office, even though I'll be working from home most of the week, but they're really helpful when you have to go out and use them. Cheaper and good quality, and JLab is very well known company within the US. You see a lot of these headphones in Costco as well. I think Argos and Amazon selling them frequently, and also they have won quite few awards in this CES event this year, which was like last week or so. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, leave some comments.